Does all the talk about the Affordable Care Act have you confused and frustrated? Are you intimidated by reports of long wait times online? Not sure what to do about the looming application date? Well, no fear. Join us on Tuesday, January 21st at 6:30 for a short informational session and the opportunity to have questions answered with the Manchester Community Health Center. As certified trained navigators, their staff will also be able to provide one-on-one assistance with a limited number of individual enrollments. These spots do require registration. So to take advantage of this opportunity, please call the library at 497-2102 to reserve your spot.